Haima is excited to be celebrating Mahina ʻŌlelo Hawai'i, where we share a daily Hawaiian word or phrase to recognize this month as Hawaiian Language Month. Today's Hawaiian phrase of the day is Kūkala, pōino makana pāhili, which means hurricane warning. Here are some helpful tips to follow should there be a hurricane warning. Stay informed by monitoring local news, weather channels, and official emergency management sources. Prepare your home by securing windows and doors with storm shutters or plywood, and be sure to tie down or store any outdoor furniture. Stock up on supplies. Start now to gather essential items including water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. Create a communication plan to ensure the safety of the family members and knowing how to stay in touch if separated. And know your evacuation routes and designated shelters. Haima's Hawaiian phrase of the day is Kūkala, pōino makana pāhili. Remember, emergency preparedness is a kako effort. Mahalo.